a tree surgeon, www.atreesurgeon.com, as well as our new site, www.removaltrees.com. And I got you back on the after of the pear trees, Pyrus Kawakamii, without that noisy dog. Thank God. And these things look beautiful. These things were actually 95% dead a year ago. And I, the tree surgeon, went ahead and treated them, fertilized them, and brought them back to a very vigorous life. As you can see from the before video, I will get a picture of the old photos a year ago as well. There was very few green branches. Thanks for watching. Have a nice, beautiful day. Or if it's nighttime, then enjoy your night.